Here's a few points on the plus side of the evening workout. Enhanced strength and power. Muscle strength and power typically peak in the late afternoon and early evening, making it a good time for strength-based training sessions. It can be a stress relief solution. Evening workouts can be a great way to distress and unwind after a long day at work or dealing with other responsibilities requiring focus and concentration. Improved sleep. Evening exercise can help improve sleep quality and reduce nighttime awakenings due to tiredness and energy depletion. Many people use working out for social opportunities. Evening workouts may offer more possibility to exercise with other people on the same fitness journey, or even participate in group classes for some extra motivation.